Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a song to your Instagram profile. So first, you need to go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device. So adding a song to your profile is a great way to express yourself. It could be your favorite song or simply the one that sets the right mood for your profile, like a summery vibe. You can always change or remove it later. We'll show you how to add a song step by step so that you can follow the whole guide. So go ahead and log into your Instagram account in your Instagram app. Tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, and this will take you to your profile page. After that, tap on Edit Profile, and here select Banners, which is between Add Link and Gender. Now select you can see that I have already added a song named Drop Dead by Olivia Rodrigo. You can also go ahead, and if you haven't already, tap on this, and this will give you a list of options. Tap on the pencil icon, and this will give you a list of music that you can go for, and select it and display it on your profile. You can scroll through the options, search for a specific song by using the search bar in the top, and you can also search for artist. Choose your desired song, and then you can select a specific section of the song, and when you're finished, tap on Done. Come back, and these changes will be automatically applied on your profile, and the selected song will appear instantly. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.